Hi, this is Dalton Quigley. It's evening. We're all finished with the pond liner repair. Let's take a look around. Okay, I'm going to go down here to the liner. This is where the repair was made. Do you see those overlapping strips of rubber and the white glue? That's the repair. Let's take a look around. The water is going to be getting filled back into the pond soon. Look at the koi swimming around down there. Bet you they can't wait to have their pond back. And let's go take a look at one last thing, and that's this beautiful swan that lives in this pond. Here's the waterfall, and the swan is swimming around in the water that's in the basin for the waterfall. Well, thank you for watching the video about the pond liner repair. See you later.